Today we will continue with the second lesson in topic 12, fractions and regions. What we are going to do today, we will solve questions like these questions. In questions 7, 8, 9, and 10, write the unit fraction that represents each part of the whole. Then write the number of blue parts and the fraction of the whole that is blue. And after that, we will move to question 11. We will draw a rectangle and divide it into 6 equal parts. Then we will follow the question. You can read the question if you want. And after that, we will move to the next page. Okay, now you know what we are going to do today. I want first to remind you about the main idea and the main concepts that we are using. Okay, please focus with me, my heroes. I'll start here with a rectangle. And I will divide this rectangle into 3 equal parts. Focus, my heroes. If I try to draw it, I need them to be equal. I see in the middle here, this one is not equal to the other 2 parts, so I will correct it to make them almost equal parts. Now I have 3 equal parts. The first concept that we are using is the unit fraction. What do we mean by unit fraction? The unit fraction is 1 part of the equal parts of the whole. We have here this word, whole. What do we mean by whole? Whole means all of it. This is 1 whole. My heroes, please do not use the chat. Okay, so again, the unit fraction is only 1 part. In this case, we have 1 part, this is the unit fraction, 1 part out of the total number of equal parts, which is 3. So the 3 down here is the total number of parts. And if I move back to the rectangle and I shade 2 parts here, in this case, to represent this fraction, we need to know the unit fraction, which is 1/3. We know it already. And we need to know how many parts are shaded. We can see that we have 2 shaded parts. So, to represent it as a fraction, for the shaded parts, we will draw a fraction, write a fraction bar. So I call this fraction bar. So this is a fraction bar. And I will write up in the numerator the number of shaded and down in the denominator I will write the total. So the fraction is 2/3. Okay, let's do this in the book. Move back to the book, my heroes. And please tell me what page is this?
617.
Yes, my heroes.
617.
617.
617.
Thank you, my heroes. Okay. Ali Ismail. Ali Ismail.
Yes.
In the first question, number 7, in each of them, we need to do the same. What we are going to do, the first thing is the unit fraction. Right, the unit fraction. Then, that represents each part of the whole. Then, write the number of blue parts. This is the second thing that we need to do. And the third thing is the fraction of the whole that represents the blue. Okay, let's take them one by one. The unit fraction in question number 7. The unit fraction always is 1 over the total. The total is how many parts? How many equal parts? How many equal
2
parts? 2. And the next part, the next question is number of blue parts. How many blue parts? You have noise around you, Ali.
3.
This is 3.
3.
This is 3 blue parts. You can see 3 blue. Question 7. Question 7, not 8. 7. It's only 1 blue part.
1.
And I will write it 1 because it's not a fraction. And the last thing is the fraction of blue. So we will use a fraction bar. In the top we will write how many blue and down the total. How many blue up in the numerator and down the total. So, how many blue? How many blue, Ali? Ali, you are not answering me. Ali, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Answer me, my hero. How many blue parts?
And 8.
In 7. Question number 7.
1.
And the total number of parts? 2.
2.
So it's half. Read it. Half. Ali, raise your voice.
Yes.
Read it. Read the fraction. Half. Okay, thank you, Ali. Abdullah Abdul Wahab.
Is here all the time.
Of course, my hero. Question number 8.
Yeah, I see.
Start with the unit fraction.
Number 8. Yeah.
The fraction always is 1 out of the total number of
2.
parts. 1 out of how many parts in all?
6.
So it's 1/6. Okay, the next question is how many blue parts? How many blue parts?
1/6.
Okay, the next question is how many blue parts?
No.
How many blue? In question number 8, how many blue parts?
3.
And after that, we
Can you
need to
see?
write the fraction that represents the blue. So we will use a fraction bar, and you tell me what to write in the numerator and what to write in the denominator.
Yeah.
In the numerator, up the number of blue. And down the total.
You close the mic with mistake.
Okay, Abdullah. How many
Yeah.
blue up and how many total down?
1 up and down 6.
I agree with you, down is 6, but up the blue is not 1.
3.
Okay, can you read this fraction?
Yeah.
3/6.
3/6.
Okay, thank you, my hero. Great work. Muhammad al-Najjar. Muhammad al-Najjar.
Yes. Yes.
The next question. Start with the unit fraction.
Same start. I put 2.
2. How to? Okay, again, the unit fraction. Start with the unit fraction, my hero.
Four.
How? Okay, the unit fraction is 1 out of the total, which is 4. 1/4. And the next part of the question. How many blue?
Blue 2.
And the next part, what is the fraction of the blue? So I will write a fraction bar, and in the top, in the numerator, up the blue, and down
1.
total. The blue 1. You said 2. Why you are saying now 1? You said 2 blue, so okay, my hero, focus with me again, Muhammad.
Okay.
Each part of these we call it 1/4. This is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. And the blue is 2, so we call it 2/4. Because each
Same
one of
start.
them is 1/4.
1/4.
So the blue is how many fourths? How many fourths are
4.
blue?
4.
Blue, not all. How many fourths
Blue,
are
2.
yes. 2 what? 2
2 and
fourths.
1.
Say it. 2
2.
fourths. 2/4.
Okay.
Not okay,
2
say it.
Forces.
Okay, thank you, my hero. Great work. Abdullah al-Wabari,
Yes, teacher.
go ahead.
Okay. One, one, eight.
1/8. Great, because we have 8 parts in all. And how
And
many
the blue
shaded in
is
blue?
6.
Great, this is the blue. And the fraction, we will
And
use fraction bar.
it's 2, 6. 2, 6.
I should write the blue up and down total.
Yeah. And the blue 6.
Again, the
And I
fraction.
mean 2. And I say 2, 6.
Wrong, of course.
Blue the
2
total.
sectors. Wrong, of course. Again.
No, 2 8s.
Okay, 2/8. Wrong also,
Yeah.
because it's not 2 blue. You said that we have 6, so
Yeah, 6, 8.
yes, so it is 6/8. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you, Abdullah. Great work. And my heroes again. Every part here is 1/8, and we have 6 blue parts. Each one of them is 6/8. So I want to say that this is 6 parts. Each one is 1/8. So it will be 6/8. Okay, my heroes, let's move to the next question. Please write quickly. Mahmoud. Mahmoud.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Mahmoud, read the question for us.
Okay. Draw a rectangle that shows 6 equal parts. Write the unit fraction that represent each part, then shade for
2 sectors,
6.
not 4.
Oh, 2/6. I didn't see that well. Of the rectangle. Explain how you know you
You shaded.
shaded 2/6 of the rectangle.
Okay, so the first step, we need to draw a rectangle with 6
Okay.
equal parts. So everyone, my heroes, draw this rectangle.
Okay, I'm drawing it.
And we will divide it into 6 equal parts. Okay.
6.
Oh, this is very long. I will make it a
1.
little bit smaller. It's very, very long, so I will make it a little bit smaller. To divide it into 6, I will divide it first into 3 like this.
Okay.
Then, to make it 6, what should we do?
Divide it from middle.
Great,
Divide
we
it from
will divide it from the middle here. So now these are 6 equal parts, right?
Yes.
The second part in the question is the unit fraction. What is the unit fraction?
1/6.
Excellent, 1/6. Great. And after that, we need to shade 2 sectors.
Then shade
So how many parts should we shade?
6 to
How many parts?
2 units.
2
2
parts.
units.
Yes. Okay, let's shade 2. 1, 2.
1 and 2.
You can do this any other way, of course, but I will do it like this. And now we need to
2.
explain why this is 2 sectors. Why the shaded part is 2 sectors. Because
Because we take it from
we shaded.
6 units.
Yes, we shade how many parts? 2 parts
2
of,
of 6.
great, of 6 equal parts. Okay, thank you, Mahmoud. You're a
Mister?
star.
Right.
Mister,
Yes, Omar?
can I make the opposite of this shape? I will make a
Yes,
row
you
and a
can.
half.
You can.
Not
You
a
can
column.
make it anyways. No problem. You can make it any other
See?
way, but you should have
Column.
6 in all, 6
One.
equal parts in all, and shade 2 only. Go ahead, my heroes. Okay. And now let's move to the next
Is it
page.
fine? Oh.
You have it now in the chat and you have it in WhatsApp. So we can move to the next page. And let's start with question number 12. Ammar. Ammar,
I'm here, teacher.
go ahead, my hero. Read the question for us. 12.
Here cut a cake into 8 pieces. Explain what the unit fraction of the cake is.
Okay. What is the unit fraction? When we have eight pieces. The unit fraction is 1 piece out of how many total?
How many total? It is 8 pieces.
So 1 out of 8. We can write it as a fraction, 1 over,
Over 8.
and we call it 1/8.
1/8.
So to explain this, we will say that it's 1 piece or 1 part out of 8 pieces or 8 parts. So the unit fraction, in this question is 1 part or piece of how many pieces?
8.
Of 8 equal pieces. Great. Okay, thank you, Ammar. Great work.
You're welcome.
Go ahead, my heroes. Write quickly. Abdurrahman Mulham. Abdurrahman. Ali Kuwaiti. Ali Kuwaiti.
Yes, teacher, I'm here.
Okay, Ali, read the question for us.
Divide the great blue into
Fourths.
from
Fourths. Fourths.
Shade
Stop, stop,
fourth.
stop. Let's do this first.
Okay.
Divide it into fourths. So how many parts?
4.
Great. Can you divide this to 4 parts? Can you tell me how to draw lines to divide it?
We dot line in the middle.
Okay, I will put line in the middle, vertical. Oh, I see that we need another line horizontal.
Yeah.
So now
yeah.
these 4 parts are equal. Each one of them is 4 squares, 4 units.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's continue reading the question. Shade
Shade 3
of the parts.
the parts.
Okay, I will do this, then we will continue. Shade 3, 1, 2, 3. Shade any 3 of them. And after that, let's continue. Write the unit fraction that represents each part of the whole. Okay. Oh, stop, stop. What is the unit fraction?
1.
1 over total. Yes, 4. So each part here is 1/4. Okay, let's continue. Then write.
Then write a fraction that
Represents
represents the
shaded area.
Shaded
Okay,
area.
tell me the fraction of the shaded part.
3.
Oh, 3 what?
Over 3. 4.
3/4.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, my hero. Great work.
You're welcome.
And my heroes, the star question today is question 15. You have 1 minute to try to solve question 15. Go ahead. Okay, great. Let's continue.
I finished now.
Okay, Omar.
Omar.
Okay, my heroes, I will move down.
Me too.
My heroes, stop using your mics. And as you know, we are solving the star question for today, question number 15. And I will choose one of my heroes to help. Muhammad Abdul Razak, Muhammad Mahmoud. Muhammad Mahmoud. Muhammad Mahmoud. Omar.
Yes.
Okay, Omar, go ahead. Read the question first for us and tell us what to do step by step.
Draw a circle that shows 6 equal parts.
Stop.
Shade more than
Stop. I will do this
3
first. Let's do this
over
first.
6 of the circle, but less than 5 over 6 of the circle. What fraction have you shaded?
Okay, go ahead. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. The first thing that we should do, draw a circle, right? So everyone draw the
Okay,
circle.
now draw a circle.
Okay, I want to divide it into 6 equal parts. Can I divide it into two halves like this? First.
Yeah.
And after that, can I draw this line? No, because if I draw this line, it will be 4.
Okay,
I
now.
wanted 6. How to draw 6 parts?
Okay, now draw plus in it and another.
Okay, we can divide it like this. 2 lines. And now we have,
Yeah, I know, but another one.
now these are 6. Do you want more?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, the next part. How many should we
And
shade?
one line
Shade
in the middle,
more than 3
or
sectors,
3 lines in the middle.
but
Yeah,
less
three
than 5
lines in the middle,
sectors.
and it will be 6 equal parts.
Again, how many parts should I shade? More than 3 sectors and less than 5 sectors. So how many?
Okay.
How many should I shade? Omar, answer me.
Teacher, can you say it on Abdullah
Oh no, Omar is answering. Omar, do you know?
Yeah.
What? More than 3 sectors and less than 5 sectors.
I will shade four equal parts.
4 equal parts. Great. So we can share 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you tell me what fraction is shaded now?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
4 6.
Excellent. You're a star. Thank you, Omar. And I know that I have many stars in this class. My heroes now. I'll send to you the link of the...
I was one to say it.
I know, Abdullah, that I have many stars, but I should have... I should choose one star only to answer.
stars and you are heroes.
Thank you, my hero. Okay, my heroes, now I'll send to you the link of the game.